When raw custom attitude meets precision engineering, you get a motorcycle that commands the asphalt from the very moment you start the engine. The Honda Fury 2027 arrives as a true masterpiece of motorcycle design, blending the aggressive aesthetic of a handcrafted chopper with the effortless reliability that riders have come to expect. From an industry-leading manufacturer, it stands tall as one of the most radical, head-turning production cruisers on the market today, delivering an unforgettable presence every single time you hit the open highway. What makes this machine truly extraordinary is how seamlessly it bridges the gap between show-stopping, custom style and real-world, everyday rideability. While traditional custom choppers are notorious for being high-maintenance and uncomfortable to ride, this motorcycle gives you the iconic stretch geometry and low-slung silhouette of a one-off build. Without sacrificing ergonomics or mechanical dependability, it is an authentic statement piece on two wheels, engineered specifically for riders who refuse to blend into the background. At the absolute heart of this power cruiser lies a massive 312cc, liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin engine that serves as both the functional core and the visual centerpiece of the motorcycle. Featuring single overhead camshafts in a 3-valve, dual-plug combustion chamber design, this motor is tuned specifically to produce a deep, satisfying V-twin rumble alongside strong muscle across the entire rev range. Every twist of the throttle provides a rich surge of power that lets you feel the raw pulse of the big bore V-twin beneath you. Performance on the highway is exceptionally smooth, thanks to an engine setup that emphasizes low-end in mid-range torque delivery. Whether you are accelerating away from a stoplight in the city or cruising effortlessly at interstate speeds, the motor responds instantly without requiring constant gear shifting. The stacked dual exhaust layout releases a throaty, resonant exhaust note that sounds like a true custom build, while remaining perfectly tuned for long-distance comfort fueling. This power plant is Honda's advanced programmed fuel injection system, known as PGMFI, fitted with a 38mm throttle body. This system continuously monitors engine parameters in ambient conditions to deliver precise fuel metering, resulting in crisp throttle control, effortless cold weather starting, and seamless power output across various elevations. You get smooth, predictable roll-on acceleration without the hesitation or fueling flat spots common in older carbureted engines. Translating all that engine torque to the pavement is a durable 5-speed manual transmission paired with an ultra-clean, low-maintenance shaft final drive. Unlike traditional belt or chain drives that require frequent adjustment, messy lubrication, and regular cleanup, the slim-profile drive shaft operates quietly and requires minimal ongoing attention. The gear ratios are well-spaced, giving you aggressive pull in the lower gears and relaxed low RPM cruising in 5th gear.